here. Taiwan. Hi, that's my sister. To see a lot of Filipinos on the other side of the portal.
And does your sister feel happy that she saw you?
Opo, actually she's excited to see yung Dublin. Every now and then, she can pass by through it.
That's so nice. At least you have one connection with her, and that's so good.
Opo, yeah.
This is seeing your brother on the other side of the world.
Sa pakiramdam na parang alam mo na kaharap mo lang siya. Much better siya kaysa sa video call.
So happy to see them, especially my nephew and his niece in the Philippines. Good timing because it's the opening of BGC Manila portal is in my day off. They are off in their work, so we have time to see each other.
It's perfect timing.
Yeah, it's a perfect timing.